Now, for today's activity, we are going to make a clock. Isn't that exciting? So before anything else, I want you to prepare the following materials: paper plate, construction papers, brass fastener, but if you don't have one, you can use a push pin, marker, scissors, and glue. What we're going to do first is to prepare our paper plate. We are going to make the face of our clock first. If you don't have any paper plates, you can use any cardboard or construction paper and form it into a circle. So here, for my clock face, I want to emphasize the face of my clock. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a construction paper with this color. You can actually use any color, but I'm going to use the color yellow and form a smaller circle that fits right inside my paper plate. So since I'm having a hard time making a perfect circle, I'm going to use another plate to trace the inner circle of my clock, or the face of my clock. There, after tracing the circle, I'm going to cut it. Then, paste it on the paper plate. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to write the numbers 1 to 12 to show the face of the clock. You can also cut out 12 circles and paste them just like this. And then write the numbers 1 to 12. Or you can just write them down on the paper plate. Well, for me, I'm just going to write them down. We have to start with the number 12, which is always on the top. Then 6, which is below. And then 3 on the right side and 9 on the left side. There! Then let's fill in the missing numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There! Great! Let's draw some eyes. Then the mouth. There! This is the clock's face. Next is we're going to make the hands of our clock. So, using our construction paper, we are going to draw our hands first. For me, I want to use different colors for the short hand or the hour hand. I'm going to use this color. And for the long hand or the minute hand is another color. So, let's make some short and long hand. And then cut them. After cutting them, let's draw another small circle and cut it. We have the minute hand, the hour hand, and a small circle. Then let's put them together using a push pin. And add something at the back so it won't easily be removed. However, if you have a brass fastener, that would be easier. There!